Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchin here, and today I'm going to review a product from realme. As you all know, realme is a brand that grew very fast over the decades, such as producing smartphones, earphones as well. Today, I'm going to review a brand new product from realme. Haven't released yet in Malaysia, but I've got it hands-on before the release date. It's the realme Buds Air. Let's get started. The brand new realme Buds Air, true wireless earbuds that comes with R1 chip with Bluetooth 5.0 to allow you to stay connected all the time. This chip also improves the battery life too. When the Buds Air is fully charged, you can play back with this Buds Air for up to 17 hours. Imagine how many times you can play Justin Bieber's song within these 17 hours. Thanks to the R1 chip, the earbuds support smart controls such as double tap to play, pause, and answer a call, triple tap to skip song, long press on one side to decline a call, and also to launch the voice assistant. Not just Google Assistant, even Siri is launchable too. The music will stop playing once the earbuds is taken out from your ears. Okay, so right now I'm going to take off one of the Buds Air. So I'm plugging back in. Stop playing already. What? So for comfort wise, it's super comfort. I almost can't feel there's earbuds in my ears anymore. Long press on both sides to enable and disable gaming mode. During gaming mode, it will activate low latency to let your game and the Buds Air to sync together. For normal music streaming, the bass is decent and the audio is crystal clear. For mic quality wise, I would say there's still room for improvement as the noise cancelling is not that good compared to the high-tier AirPods. Since it is a mid-range AirPods, I don't really have much complaint about it. Let's begin with the mic test. Hey, what's up guys? Right now the recording comes from the realme Buds Air. And right now it goes back to my camera external mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, it goes back to the realme Buds Air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Besides charging with Type-C cable, the Buds Air support wireless charging too. That's the review for the brand new realme Buds Air AirPods. Overall, I think it's super convenient for guys like me that always listen music and I don't like any tangled wire. I'm looking for a mid-range price and not like the Apple. I think it's worth for the price and I can't wait to see them release in Malaysia soon. It's Searching Check LSQ here. Peace out and I'll see you in the next one.